How to delete Canva account permanently. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily delete your Canva account permanently. So first thing what you want to do is just head over to your favorite browser and simply search in for canva.com and make sure you have successfully logged into your account. So since we are trying to delete our account, here's what you need to do. So just head over to your profile icon. If you're using PC, it should be located over here and simply click on settings. And once you're inside your profile section, just click on or head over to this login section over here and simply scroll all the way down and you can see there is an option called delete account. So you also can read this that by deleting your account, you will no longer be able to access any one of your designs or log in to Canva, and your account creation date as well as your time of your creation of account also will be shown over here. So keep that in mind that you will no longer be able to access any of your designs or log into the same account. So just click on this delete account and you can just basically click on the or enter the code that has been sent to this my registered Gmail, and simply once you enter that code you can just click on this delete button over here to successfully delete your account just like that. So you still have 14 days to log back in and restore to it before it's permanently deleted. So you can also keep that in mind. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.